Hey guys, I just received my AquaTru, which is a countertop filtration system that requires no plumbing. You can just put it on your countertop, and it works with reverse osmosis filtration system. And I've been seeing many people posting about it and loving it, including Erin Brockovich, the famous Erin Brockovich from the movie, and she's recommending it for filtering municipal water, so the water from your tap. So what the hell, if she's recommending it, I'm in. So I'm just about to unpack it and assemble it. So I'll show you how it looks. So you guys, it's been a week since I bought my AquaTru filter, and I have to say I really love it. The water tastes really good, it tastes really clean, and as a result I'm drinking more water than before, which is great. Secondly, it's super convenient. When you're out of clean water, you just refill the tank, and then within less than 15 minutes you've got a whole gallon of clean water, clean purified water. And lastly, environmentally, I'm very happy that I don't have to use plastic and dispose of it anymore. So all in all, it's been a great purchase. I'm really happy with it. If you want to get yours, check out the link in the video description below and stay hydrated.